Hello everyone, this is Donner and Hannah's puppies. They are right at 3 weeks old. Starting to eat here the last few days, some puppy mush, dry and soft food. Hannah's taking fantastic care of them. Hannah's just a sweet mom. As you can see, we have the different color collars on the silver. We have the silver male with the blue collar and the silver female with the pink collar. And then of course we have the blue female. But everybody's doing great. Let Miss Hannah out. Stay in here with us. But everybody's doing great. I'll give you some close-ups of these guys. That's the little girl. That's pink collar. Pink collar, silver female. And then the blue collar, silver. But they're doing great. It's going to get more exciting each week as we go along. And they start to eat and start to show their personalities and get into that explore stage. And then we have the blue female. Sweet girl. But everyone's doing great. We just wanted to give you a quick update as they're right at 3 weeks now. Doing fantastic. And hopefully in the next week or so we can bring you another update and do it outside and show you guys them starting to explore. But they're right on schedule. Everybody's doing good. Starting to eat like they should and enjoying their puppy mush every day. And Hannah's taking sweet care of them. Everybody's doing great. If you have any questions, just let us know. And that's going to be our 3-week update from Donner and Hannah.